are here to conduct a special assembly. Violin Orchestra. The string notes are played by fingerings, pressing the strings. Fingers press down on the violin.
The right hand index finger is mostly often used doing pizzicato. The fourth or third hand fingers are used with left hand.
So you cannot do maths for a long time because again neuroscience has shown that toxins build up in the brain if you focus academically for a very long time, and these chemicals cannot be dispelled except by sleep or rest. There is one more thing. You can actually play music and the toxins will be dispelled and the particular lobe will be stimulated again. The neurons will be ready for maths or science or any other academic activity. So what we have over here is a talent to be nurtured, and it is a life skill. It is actually a skill that is going to boost their academic performance as well as their time management.